Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Prius 20 Bluetooth full guide. Start by turning on your Prius and enabling Bluetooth on your phone, then set your phone to visible or discoverable. Next, navigate to the car audio settings and select Bluetooth pairing mode, looking for your phone name. Accept any numeric PIN prompts on both devices and confirm audio and call permissions so media and calls route properly through the car. Follow these step-by-step actions to pair smoothly. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it visible, then use the Prius audio menu to start pairing. When the car lists devices, choose your phone name and wait for a numeric PIN to appear on both screens. Confirm the PIN on each device immediately and grant permissions for contacts and media. Finally, test a call and play audio to verify both microphone and speaker routing are working correctly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for road trips because it keeps water cold, fits most cup holders, and is easy to sip while driving. It's been handy during long Prius drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into issues, try these practical fixes. Restart your phone and the Prius audio to clear temporary glitches and remove stale devices from the car Bluetooth list. Ensure your phone allows Bluetooth permissions for contacts and media, and disable aggressive battery optimization for the Bluetooth service. If audio cuts or calls drop, test with another phone to isolate whether the car or device is at fault, and update phone software when available for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.